Says God is working in the waiting. Some of you are in a period of waiting for whatever it might be. Maybe you're waiting to get married. Maybe you're waiting to have kids. Maybe you're waiting for that career that you would like, or whatever the case might be. Waiting to move, waiting for something. Don't get impatient, because it is in those waiting years that God can do wonderful things in your heart to prepare you, to refine you. There's some things that, like an onion, that need to be peeled off layer by layer, and God will reveal some things to us. But look, when God moved in the hearts and lives of people, it often was preceded by years of waiting. David would wait some 15 to 20 years. Paul, when he had his conversion experience as Saul on the road to Damascus, it would be 10 years before he would preach his first evangelistic gospel message and lead anybody to Christ. Moses had to wait 40 years. Jesus, think about it. From the time he was born until his public ministry was 30 years. God will take his time to do his good work. The waiting is not in vain.